Hi friends, this is Emma, and today I'll show you the easiest way to draw a Labubu. Make sure to stay till the end to see how I added the fluffy details to make it come to life. Please give a like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. Let's start with drawing the face. So I'm going to start by drawing an oval. Like an egg shape. And let's shade it in. Let's draw another oval right outside of this one. And we can follow the same curve as the one we just drew. So for now, we're not gonna add the furry details yet, but make sure you stay till the end to see how I add the furry details. And now let's draw the body. So I'm gonna give you guys a really easy trick of how to draw Labubu's body. We're gonna start here, and then give us another point right here. So those are the shoulders. And then from here on, let's draw an angle line that goes down. It's like drawing a W shape, really. And same on the other side. Okay. So you see it's a W, right, for the body. And then for the arms, from here, let's draw a U shape, like that. There. So let's shade it in. Okay, so we're going to add the ears now. So I'm gonna start by drawing like a curved line that goes up and comes back down, and shade it in. Another small curve that goes up, round it off, and comes down. Shade it in. Now let's add some layers. So right outside of this ear, I am going to use the other color, so the same color as the face. Follow the curve just to add another layer. Same on the other side. Okay. Now finally, on the outside, I'm just gonna use the pink color again. Follow the curve to draw the final layer. Make sure the two ears are about the same size. There. Okay, so now let's draw the face details. So I'm gonna use white, and I am going to draw two ovals, two large ovals. That's the background of the eyes. they're about the same size, and I'm going to let it dry before I add the black eyes. So while we're waiting, I'm going to draw the feet. Okay, so what we do is from here we'll draw a curved line that goes up. So it has three toes, 1, 2, and 3. Very easy. Same on the other side, 1, 2, and 3. Cute little feet. And we're going to draw the same for the hands. Same, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we'll let it dry, okay? But now let's draw the nose. So I'm going to use red in between the eyes, right in the center. Let's draw a little heart. That's the nose. And I'm going to add blushes on the cheeks. 2 small ovals. So let's draw the big smile. Now I'm going to use a thin Sharpie. So let's start from here, right here. So the smile is really, really wide. We're gonna start off from this side and then draw a curved line that goes down and then come back up again. A very big smile. And right in the center, right here, I'm gonna draw the first tooth right in the center by drawing a triangle. Now Labubus have 9 teeth, so we have one in the center already, and then on each side I am going to draw 4 teeth. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Same on the other side. Little upside down triangles. They are the same size. And 4. There we have the big smile. And now let's add the brows. So right on top of the white area, let's draw a curved line that goes down and come back up. Same on the other side. There. I am going to add the fluffy details to the Labubu. Now let's add the jagged lines to make it look really fluffy. I think these jagged lines really make Labubu comes to life because Labubus are very fluffy. I'm going to fast forward this part and then I'll show you how to draw the eyes in the final details. Now let's draw the eyes. Okay, on each of the white area, I am going to draw a black oval following the shape of the outside curve. Okay, and shade it in. Now let's add the highlights. So 2 small circles and 2 smaller ones. There. So that's how to draw Labubu super easy. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me, and if you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for drawing with me today, and I'll see you next time.